You know what? I am very, very emotional today. I left Shimla when I was a teenager and I used to have this Rajma Madra, also known as Chambiyali Madra, in Sood weddings. We had to literally wait for this dish and it was yet so special. We are making Rajma Madra. So now we are going to add around 200 ml of ghee and let it heat for some time. Now once the ghee is heated, we are going to add the green cardamom, the black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick and some cloves. Now add full cream yogurt, but make sure that it is well whisked before adding into it. Now keep stirring and make sure that it doesn't curdle. Now let the yogurt cook till it changes its color. It has to be a little dark brown. When you see the yogurt being almost half done, we are going to add the powdered masalas. We'll start with the salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri mirch powder, some turmeric, there's going to be some coriander seed powder, and of course, my homemade garam masala. So as you all can see, beautiful rogan has come on top, which is a sign now to add the rajma. So you all have to make sure that once the rajmas are boiled, you just have to drain the entire water. Also, it shouldn't be overcooked and even al dente, just the right way I have boiled them. Now we will stir it well, but of course delicately also. I know you all must be thinking that can this be made in mustard oil or any other oil? Yes, of course. But traditionally, it is always made in pure ghee. Look at that texture. Just to finish it, we are adding some green cardamom powder. And of course, to balance the tartness of yogurt, you might need to add a pinch of sugar into it. The sign when your dish is complete is this red ghee coming on the top. And yes, of course, the color looks amazing. Now we are also adding some dry fruits. But the most important thing, which is integral and a part of Madra, is this dry coconut. Without this, the Madra is incomplete. Finally, Rajma Madra is ready and we are going to serve it traditionally with hot and piping steaming rice, just the way it is served in Dham. Don't forget to follow and subscribe Get Curried. This is Chef Sherie signing off.